Hi, my name is Virginia Shelton, and in this tutorial video I'm going to show you the basics of how to edit an image using GIMP. I will be showing you how to rotate, crop, and resize an image. Let's get started. As you can see, I already have GIMP loaded and ready to go. First, we're going to go up here to File, and Open, then browse and select the image you want to work with. Now we've got our image loaded. First, we're going to rotate the image 90 degrees clockwise. On the left-hand side, you'll see GIMP has a toolbox that's already opened. You can access all of these tools from the toolbar at the top, but GIMP makes it easy by putting the most commonly used tools in the toolbox for you. You can customize your toolbox and add additional objects, but that's for another video. To rotate the image, we're going to use the Rotate tool here. Click on Rotate tool, then click on inside of your image and another box will open up. You can use the slider bar to rotate the image where you like it, or you can manually type in the angle or the X and Y axis. There is also a drop-down box that you can use to change the units you are using for the image rotation. For this video, we will select % and just manually type in 90 into the angle box. To rotate the image 90 degrees, click clockwise and then just click rotate like this. Now that we have our image rotated, we want to center the boat in the image. To do this, we're going to use the crop function. In the toolbox window, click the crop tool. Now left click in the image and drag to where you want to crop. Then hit enter. Now we have our subject centered in the image. Now that we have our image rotated and cropped, we want to resize the image. We are going to increase the size of this particular image by 50%. To do this, we are going to click on an image from the toolbar and select Scale Image. A new box will open. Here you can choose the image size proportions. I like using percentages, so in the drop-down box, choose the % option. I'm going to increase the size by 50%. So to do this, I'm going to manually type in 150 into the width and then hit Tab. This will automatically change the height to match. If you want to distort the image size, you can click on the chain link and manually type in the width and the height in different proportions. But we are going to leave this image square, so I'm just going to leave this alone. Click on Scale, and now we've resized our image. Now that I have my image where I want it, I want to save it. You can click on File, then click Save or Save As to save it as a GIMP file type. But doing this, you cannot save it as a JPEG. The only way that you can save this image back to a JPEG is to actually click on File, Export As, choose your directory, name it, and from the drop box choose JPEG image, then click Export. Now we have the file saved as a JPEG just in case we want to work with it in another application. So, in this video, you learned how to rotate an image, crop an image, and size an image using GIMP. This concludes my tutorial on how to edit an image using GIMP.
This video is brought to you by the Professional Writing Club. For more information, follow us on Twitter at PWClub at UAB and like us on Facebook at Professional Writing Club at UAB.